It's finals week on MasterChef, and today the last three standing have been allocated their own one Michelin-Star Dublin-based restaurant, and they will be cooking evening service alongside their famous chefs. The first checks will arrive in at 7 p.m, and between now and then they are all responsible for the preparation of their dishes.
Bradine, here we go. This is the engine room in here.
Brilliant.
All action. Wayne, this is Bradine. Our head chef is Wayne.
How are you doing, Wayne?
And Neil. We have Anna there and Stephen. I'm going to put you here working with Wayne and Neil, okay?
Yeah.
On the meat.
For all three of them, the end goal is within sight. But apart from impressing their chefs and stepping up to the mark today, they must also use the next few hours as inspiration, as they will need to cook again very soon for Dylan and Nick before the winner can be crowned.
There is a lot on the line today. It's a bit intimidating being all on your own. You're used to having everybody around you, so arriving in here today, I suppose it's going to be important to establish myself as part of the team and get to know the other chefs that I'll be working with. They look all right to you?
Yeah. You want to make like kind of long cuts, you know?
Okay. You get to know people very quick when you're in that sort of intense environment and you're working very closely together. So yeah, it'll be important to get to know the guys down there in the kitchen. Do you recycle glass?
Yeah, I'll show you where that goes.
I won't really need this. Your space.
It's more me than you.
That's you. Okay. I just use my hands for the beef on and
I'll get
turning it. Oh yeah.
I'll get you a pair of them, don't worry.
And what way is the lobster served then?
She'll see it later on during the service. So.
You'll be beside me, yeah.
Bradine so far has done quite well. It's like actually like a football team, like a new player tonight. Right, Bradine, you have the two guys here, Nick and Dylan.
That's right. Know them well.
And I'd love you to cook your beef dish I showed you today for them, please.
Dylan and Nick have decided to visit all three finalists tonight at some point in the evening. And at 6 p.m. and shortly before service kicks off, the judges arrive in Le Crivan.
Ultimately, were you happy with her work? Like, I mean, did you think she worked well this morning?
Overall, quite good. Yeah. She was clever enough to get in on side with a couple of chefs.
Sounds like Virginia.
I thought it was very clever. Actually, it was a very clever thing to do. If I was actually coming to a strange kitchen, I'd do the same thing. You'd try and come on side with someone, wouldn't you, really? I'd give it an A1.
All right, okay. Bridgine, for us, has shown some real natural ability. Very ambitious girl. But has fallen down from time to time. She's definitely in the right place, so it'd be really interesting to see how she copes with you this evening.
This would normally take a professional chef maybe more than a few days to master, but she's literally doing one service tonight, and today she really has to be on top of her game if she wants to really win the title of MasterChef.
Tonight, I don't want to see her crash tonight.
No.
Yeah, for her sake, and for my sake too.
And your customers'
and for the restaurant's sake, and the customers.
Boys, enjoy your dinner.
There goes the diet, yeah?
Nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It was wonderful.
Really good.
Lads, you were hungry, definitely.
They were. These guys are hungry, huh?
Yeah, it works well together.
It's good, everyone works together.
It's a great dish, yeah.
Okay, good luck.
Good luck.
Thanks, Nick.
Meanwhile, in Malahide, Mike is awaiting service and is doing all the final prep to his lamb for their 6-course tasting menu.
Don't know about feeling confident, but we'll see. We've got a service ahead of us with 40 people over 2 hours, so it'll be interesting to see what happens. Looking forward to it.
First check on table 10 for 2, please. Thank you.
Okay.
2 surprise, 2 canapes, please.
With the dining room full and every one of tonight's diners having the lamb as part of this evening's event, Mike is instantly under pressure.
Do you know what? I'm dealing with it. I'm enjoying it and getting on with it.
First at 7 o'clock for 4, please, and can I have bread for 4 as well? Yes. We're going to go on that lamb in 5 minutes, okay? So it's 5 minutes on the pass we're going to be dressing. Season your lamb, fry it. Okay, so this lamb needs 3 minutes to heat up through the oven, okay? From now, because it's gone too cold, okay?
Sure.
As the orders come in fast and furious, Oliver reins Mike back into line.
That's just waste of a slice of lamb, okay? There's no point to going gung-ho at the start, yeah? Don't do anything until you know what you're doing, okay? Because you're just going to destroy everything, okay? Just wait, timing's the key, okay? So you haven't done anything yet and you're putting lamb in, you're going to destroy the whole lamb. You're sending 2 and you put enough in for 5. Okay? So don't do anything until I tell you. You don't know what you're doing. You know, to start the service, obviously he's a bit nervy, I could see it in him, he didn't know what way to take us and that, but First table, he started off a bit bullish. I just turned me back for a second table away, and everything was on, you know. So I corrected him on that and pulled him up on it, and then from there I explained the system and the rhythm. So, you know, a couple of slight corrections. Oil in you go. Has to be super, super hot. Stop. See this? This is going to save you from burning yourself, and also you'll be quicker. There's no need for you to be working like that. If you stop, listen, and learn the first one, you'll be perfect the rest of the night. If you just keep pulling in, you'll just be on a slippery slope for the whole night. Okay? You do, but you have to do it the right way. Again, you're rushing into it. Stop. There's no point to going into cold pans, burning garlic, to achieve nothing. So just your first one, let's just wait, you'll get it perfect, and then from there on in, you're on your own. You flow through it, okay? Nice and quick. Mushrooms in. That's on wrong. Okay, turn your heat down. You don't want any fires. Your pan's too hot, okay? Get your lamb out of the oven, just check and make sure it's hot enough. Once everything's cooked, underneath the lights, let's keep it hot, keep the light on top of it, okay? In the sink, in the sink. You're playing with pots and pans, you should be sending food. Okay, carve the lamb, please. 6 nice slices. Quick, you need to go quicker, Mike. Things are going cold. Okay, let's start dressing. Grant, lamb on, please. Just like that. Got it? And your boudin.
Got it.
Couple of blobs, that's it, perfect. Then your snow, okay? The last bit of sunflower seed snow, straight across the tip of the lamb. Go ahead. Okay, on the tray. Well done, Mike, straight up. Fab. And away, please, table 10, 2 lamb. Well done. All right? Yep. That's the system we followed through the night.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, your main course is arriving.
It all just comes together beautiful, the whole lot. You know.